Hi, I'm Judith Monroe, and this is my bathroom darkroom. And in this very brief video, I'm going to show you the pinhole negatives from just a couple of days ago. Those ones that had to wait for 48 hours before I could see them in the white light. Here they are. It's time for the unveiling. So, look, this sort of sucks. So as you could see, it was sitting, I had 5 negatives, pieces of paper sitting in this chemistry, and this top one was not completely under the surface. And so it got all dark. It didn't really get fixed. This got bleached. I'm not quite sure what's going on here. But, oh my gosh, yay! The one that I really cared about looks beautiful. So that's a good thing, because the next thing I'm going to do is make a positive from this. But I really do want to solve my fixing problem. It seems that if everything is covered up, like this was the only one that got messed up. I'm trying to think of what exactly was happening here, because it was exposed. So more of it should have looked dark, and this got bleached, and I'm not quite sure. I'm going to have to talk to some colleagues about that. But good news is if nothing else, just put the one you really want underneath others. And then these are those other way underdeveloped negatives. So you can see little tiny bits of detail. That one actually is not too bad, but just the weak developer. Anyway, that's the exciting unveil there. The next thing that I need to do is actually just put this whole tray. I'll dump this out and wash it. And here, we'll just start it. It needs to get washed for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to dump out the salt fix. And I'm going to have to put something else in here. But basically, if I'm just going to let the water run, I know, really not environmentally fabulous. But let the water run like this for 5 minutes, and it'll just kind of fresh water in, old stuff out, and then I will let them dry sitting up on a towel or something like that. So that's what that looks like. Next video that's pretty good. Next video will show you how to make a contact print, get a positive from that negative. That one right there. Woo! I'm so glad one came out. It would suck to have to do all that all over again. Okay. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks. Bye.